So we found this on Craigslist, and what we're mainly looking for is the rear axle, because it's supposed to be a 342 with guide bolts and a special aluminum cover, and then it has weld-in subframe connectors, so that'll be good. And we're just looking for some of the wiring, but it looks like we should have, you know, plenty of parts that hopefully we can resell and make back a little bit of money there. But it's been, you know, where are we at? Almost 10 o'clock?
Yeah.
It took us a little while to have to load it because I didn't know how to use the crazy come along. So, but we got our 4 ratcheting straps in what looks like good places. We've got another 35 minutes to go before we're home.
Yep.
So we stopped at racetrack. So hopefully we make it back in one piece. And we got to place it underneath the carport tomorrow. So thanks for watching. We'll talk to you guys later.
windows open so you can talk to me. Our country is vibrant. Our economy is thriving like never before. On Friday, it was announced that we added another 304,000 jobs last month alone, almost double the number expected. Good.
Alright guys, so a brand new 1998 Z28 Camaro is here. As you can see, it's got some cracked glass, mostly because of the rear hatch. They were towing it backwards. Wind cut the hatch, made it hit the roof, so you lost the rear window, and that also caused the front window to crack. So really, the interior is pretty nice. You see the glass and stuff in there, so I'll have to go through that. Definitely vacuum it out, because we're going to be working on taking out stuff and different things. So let's see if I can find the, take a look under the hood. Yeah, you see all the nice little pieces of glass up in the front. That's nasty. But it's in pretty good shape. Got a few chips and stuff, but overall, gotta find the latch though. Little latch. Where? Ah, there it is. I found the latch, people. The engine's go. No. Okay, we didn't get it for the engine. We actually got it mostly for some brake parts that Todd wants. Isn't that correct?
The rear end.
Yeah, and the rear end. Got the gear back there. And a few other parts that Todd might want to use for a, what is it, Todd?
The LS swap.
Yep, LS swap on his Firebird over there, so.
Biggest thing would be the K member.
Yeah.
And some of the ABS. Because if we want to do a newer, if we want to do the upgrade in the rear.
Yeah.
Rear end with new brakes. And we'll need that we need the ABS stuff.
Yep.
That kind of looks the same. I'm not sure. I don't know what that module is. Take a look and see.
Yep.
But anyway, some of this stuff I'm going to use.
Yeah, so in other words, it's a parts car. But also another thing that we're going to use it for as well is that I'm good at working on Lego cars. I don't know very much about working on real cars. So that's going to this is going to help me kind of know how to take apart different tools you use for the different parts. So it's a learning experience for me, also a parts car for Todd, and so yeah, going to have fun with this.
Operation Get It Done Before Mowing.
Yeah, get it done before the summer hits and we have to go back to mowing, which will not be fun. So one thing obviously we're going to have to look out for is this glass. It looks like it should come off. So we might look into getting that off, because if we're reaching in there and we got the glass, that's not going to be fun. So definitely look at doing that. But overall, nice car, going to be fun to work on. So yeah, more videos about that will be coming up. But yeah, got a nice 1998 Z28 Camaro. So. Oh yeah, let's look at that. So this is going to be,
Doesn't have one.
Doesn't have one.
Okay.
Huh, has all the plastic parts for it though.
Yeah.
Huh.
Get the IAT sensor. But this
Oh,
is
so
just the way the air works on the.
very
so
cool.
we'll have our little window washer pieces. It's a
Oh,
little different. Yeah, there it is right there.
but the internals might be a better. Watch over the glass. That's a lot of glass.
It's different and it's chunky, but
Yeah. So yeah, a lot of
I don't
different.
know what that is. That might be. I think this had to do with the nitrous.
Ah, yeah. Because it was a drag car.
Right.
So it did what? 11 seconds on what?
11.1 with the nitrous and heads and cams.
On what mile?
I forget how fast.
Okay.
11.1 though would put it.
Yeah, so pretty fast car. Now it does 0 on 0 because it's never going to be on a drag strip again. Whole thing. But yeah, it's really in pretty good shape. Paint, not bad. Yeah.
gonna have fun taking it apart. So those videos will be coming up soon as we get started. So yeah, it's gonna be fun, folks. So thanks for watching. Thanks for the coming along for this quick tour of our brand new car that we're gonna have fun with, and we will see you next time on the Combustion Guys.